Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your logo in WordPress. We'll start by exploring the most straightforward approach, which involves using the built-in WordPress customizer. This method is accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. Next, we'll look at how some themes offer their own dedicated logo upload sections. Finally, I'll share some essential tips to ensure your new logo looks perfect. The WordPress customizer is your go-to for quick logo updates. From your dashboard, simply click Appearance and then Customize. Inside the customizer, you'll find a section usually labeled Site Identity. Here, you can easily upload a new logo image from your media library. Remember to adjust its size for the best fit and always preview your changes before hitting the Publish button to make them live. After bidding, the actual card play begins. The player to the dealer's left typically leads the first trick. When a card is led, other players must follow suit by playing a card of the same suit if they possess one. If you don't have the led suit, you can play any card, including a trump card. The highest card of the led suit wins the trick unless a trump card is played, in which case the highest trump wins. The winner of each trick leads the next. To ensure your logo looks its best, always optimize your image for the web, aiming for a small file size. A transparent background, typically a PNG file, often provides the cleanest integration with your site's design. If your new logo doesn't show up right away, try clearing your website's cache. For more complex changes, or if you're modifying theme files, consider using a child theme to protect your customizations during updates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.